Hey guys, it's Libby and I am so excited to be back from my little hiatus that I took. I was working on my mental health, which is still a work in progress. I was traveling. I really just didn't have the capacity for YouTube at the beginning of the summer, but I am back now because I have the capacity once again. So two things before I dive into this video. First, you may notice that my background is different. Yes, I have moved and you will be getting a new apartment tour very soon once it's all complete. I'm still waiting on some like shipments and some repairs to be done to the apartment and stuff. But after that, I will show you the apartment. And number two, if you have any video recommendations or suggestions, feel free to leave that down below in the comments or shoot me a message on Instagram. I will definitely take those into consideration. So eyebrow tinting is a thing that's been pretty popular for years now, but I just now got it done for the first time a couple months ago. It has worn off and I miss it and I do not want to pay for it again, even though I was paying my cousin and helping her small business. I'm just broke, okay, I can't afford it. So I decided that I would try to do it by myself at home. There are lots of products and systems out there. I did some research and I decided to go with the Godfrey Tint Kit. It's for spot coloring. It is permanent color in the shade medium brown. So we're gonna use this, but first I'm gonna wax my eyebrows. I've actually never done that before at home. I've never done it myself, so I'm a little nervous, but I haven't touched my eyebrows in weeks. I don't know if you can see very well. So I'm gonna go heat up the wax and we're gonna wax my eyebrows for the first time. If you're wondering, I'm using the GG microwave wax kit. I'm just using their like pre-wax cleanser. So I'm just using a spoolie to brush the hairs up. That way I hopefully don't catch the ones that I don't want to catch. And now I'm just gonna get a little wax on this angled freaking popsicle stick. Let's see, how do I make it not drip like that? How about I twist? I will twist. That's what I will do. Twist. Okay. Now we just... Oh, I'm scared, guys. Close eye. Apply the strip. Rubbing on. Gonna let it like sit there for a second, I guess, cause like I don't want to like try to pull it off too early, but hey, did it work? I got like 2 hairs, guys, like 2 hairs. Let's try again, question mark? Let's try again. Whew. Whew. Okay, we're doing all right. We're doing all right. Let's try that again. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, boop. Okay, there's still some wax on my eyebrow. That's cool. It's not bad, but it's not good. We still have more areas that need attention. Let's take a break from that eye because I'm getting mad at it. We're gonna go for the other eyebrow. Twirling. Okay. And okay, so I finished off my eyebrows with a little more wax and some tweezing, and I would say for a first time, it's not terrible. Like, I didn't screw them up, I don't think. Yeah, so not bad. But now let's get on to the exciting part, which is the tinting. So basically what you do is you take one of the hair color capsules, which just looks like this, like a little pill, and you empty it into the little mixing cup thingy. So I just did that. It is in here. And then you mix that with equal parts of the developer that comes with it. The instructions say that that's about a 1/4 teaspoon, so that is what I'm going for. Looks like about that to me. You could be more exact and precise and like go get your actual like teaspoons and stuff, but I'm lazy, so I'm not gonna. But next thing you do is you mix up that color. It turns into the consistency of any dye, really, if you've ever dyed your hair, or like kind of like acrylic paint or something like that. Before I actually tint my eyebrows, I'm gonna take some petroleum jelly and surround my eyebrows with that. That's like a trick you use when you're dyeing your hair if you don't want it to bleed like onto your forehead or the back of your neck. I guess it just prevents dye from taking in those areas. And obviously I don't want my whole face to be dyed, just my eyebrows. But now it's time to apply the actual dye. So this kit comes with a little angled brush, so that's what I'm gonna use first. I just dip and get a little bit on here, and then I'm just stroking as if I am painting it onto my eyebrows. I am being very mindful of the shape that I'm creating because it's gonna darken what you put it on, you know, so you want to make it a shape that you like. Going down this way, and see I got a little bit where I didn't want it, so I just wipe it off, no biggie. But now that I'm done applying to that eyebrow, I'm gonna go ahead and start a stopwatch so that I know how long it's been on this eyebrow. It needs to be on for just like 1 to 2 minutes, it says. So hopefully by the time that it is ready to come off, I'll be done applying to this eyebrow. So I am working kind of quickly. If you want to do just one eyebrow at a time so that you don't have to feel pressure, that is totally fine, but I am impatient and stuff. So, my contact just popped out. Does it happen to you guys that if you just sit without blinking for like a minute, your eye like dries out and your contact just falls out? Because that happens to me like too frequently, and it's really annoying because like now I'm half blind. I have terrible vision. I cannot see. I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off that fucking contact lens, I guess. And it's been just about a minute now on that eyebrow. So I'm just gonna finish this up real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and remove that from that eyebrow. So I'm taking a clean cotton pad and just wiping it off. Obviously you don't want to like wipe it onto your skin, so just be very mindful of how you are wiping. Yeah. So I'm gonna give this eyebrow about 30 more seconds and then wipe it off as well. So now the dye is wiped off of both eyebrows and I'm done. It is as simple as that. Yes, they're pretty dark right now, but they'll fade over the next few days and then obviously fade out completely over the next several weeks. So I think they look good. And like, I'm not very good at filling in my eyebrows with pencils or powder or anything, so having them just dyed and look good all the time, perfect. Love it. Mwah. It was cheap, it was easy, it was so fast, and I am extremely happy with the results. And finally, I am also thinking about laminating my eyebrows. If you don't know what that is, it's like permanently straightening your eyebrows. Well, not permanently, it lasts like 8 weeks or something, but straightening your eyebrows to get that look that's really popular right now. So if you want to see that here on this channel, feel free to let me know that in the comments, and I will look into learning how to do that at home too. But that's all I got for you, so I hope that you have a great day, and I'm again so excited to be back. Yeah, so good to see you guys. I love you guys so much. Okay, bye.